Hey guys, in today's video I show you the process of modeling this armchair. If you like the content, subscribe to the channel. Leave your like and comment here what you'd like to see in the next videos. So, let's go to the lesson. Let's start by creating a line. Outline the shape of the model. Adjust the proportion to the match to the reference. Now, we add thickness to the line by enable rendering the viewport. Change it to rectangle and adjust the size according to the image. Once that is done, add an Edit Poly modifier. Let's add a new loop with Alt 1. Hold Shift K so that the loop follows the flow of the shape. Select these edges and add a chamfer to round the shape. Do the same on the bottom. Using the ring and edge connector, we add a loop to the side of the model. Add an subdivides to visualize the overall shape. Returning to the Edit Poly, let's add a central loop and adjust the model's drape in the central part. Adjust the edges to make the shape a little smoother. Adjust the front part while maintaining the model's proportions. We add support loops to the front and the back. Let's add a new loop to the central part of the model on both sides. On the edge, use Alt 2 to adjust the curvature. Let's do the same on the back of the model. Here, I'll also adjust the width of this edge using the scale. We adjust the curvature in this part. Now use Alt 2 again to round the side edge. We adjust the top vertices, maintain the curvature. Having done that, let's reduce the division to 1 and add a new Edit Poly. Here, you mark the areas of the model's scene. Simple, select the loop and add an extrude to create the seams. Adjust the parameters to match the reference. Repeat the same process through the model, following the reference. Now, we can add a new subdivision to the model. Again, add an edit poly and select all the loops where we created the seam in the model. After selecting all the loops, hold down Ctrl and change to the vertex mode. Let's improve the shape using the cloth modifier. Go to Object Properties. Select the object, change to the cloth and the preset to cotton. Add a value to the pressure and click OK. In the Group tab, go to the Get Text Selection options. This select the vertex we already selected. Go to Make Group and check the Preserve option. I'm going to disable the gravity and let's simulate the fabric. Here, we'll see the fill working. I'm going to stop and adjust the timeline to ideal moment. We can notice the difference when we uncheck the modifier. Now, we can convert it to editable poly to save the change in the model. Once that is done, I will adjust the size of the front part a little. Let's select the face and enable the soft selection. Adjust the selection size and the model. Now, to finish, we can add a new edit poly and manually adjust the model with the Paint Deform options. Here, I use Push and Pull to add a little more feel to the shape. In addition, we have Shift tool to adjust the mesh with the brush. And that's it. That was today's video. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time. Bye.